Hi guys, welcome to another video. This is Arcade Trivia Quiz on the ZX Spectrum, which has two tapes. I barely remember this one, but I had a lot of fun playing Spectrum games last time. And let's forget all the real loading and automatically do it. Should be alright. Yes, missed the intro screen again, which is pretty cool. You can see it here, and I'm getting my information from the world of Spectrum, as ever. There's the intro screen. Kinda rings a bell. $2.99, published by Zeppelin Games Limited, re-released by Eidos. The authors being Tag Computer Games, Tony Warner, Paul Hilly, Sean Conran, and Tink. Tink's a good name. Tink has been credited with at least 20 games on here. What's this? Load next file. Load file A. Alright, let's just go for A. Press play on the tape. Kind of confused by this, to be honest. Okay, I'm ready. Yeah, found file A 0. Nope, this is going to be one of them ones where it doesn't work. Now there is another tape, but do you really need to put the second tape in now? I doubt it. I mean, will that even work? Stop the tape. Okay, well, maybe. What, that first one was... Well, hopefully it was the database and not just loading. Written by Tony Warner. See, all the other guys got credit, but it was really Tony Warner who worked his arse off in this one. Music by Paul Hilly. Blah, 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 blah. How do I start? Well, keyboard, I guess. Yeah? Keyboard. Yeah, keyboard. Now, how do I begin the game? One player. Keyboard. Alright, L. Give me a game, man. Alright, it's the worst game ever written. Player 1. File D. Enter. I'm ready. I'm ready to go, man. Oh, I was just about to quit that and delete this video, which I've done many times. Okay, here we are. It's going to be exciting, isn't it? I do remember this, just. Science, chemistry. What's the largest planet in our solar system? Fuck, it's Jupiter, isn't it? Jupiter, right? Ah, can't go down. A, yes, QAOP. Jupiter. Bang! Okay, nearly a failure, but now an absolute joy. Music. What nationality are in excess? I didn't know. Continue, please. Music again, I'm not good. For whom is Carol Decker the lead singer? The Bangles. Wrong. Bucks Fizz. Oh, shit. I'll continue, thanks, mate. Oh, you can choose. Snooker. Oh, no. Which game used to be called Gossamer? I don't know. Polo? I got that mixed up. Continue. Movies. I might get this. Who played Batman in the recent feature film remake? Michael Keaton. Yes! See? I want world. I'm crap at it, but I want it. Who was a Pulitzer Prize winning president of the USA? Reagan? Incorrect. Oh no, not music. Who sang California Girls and Help Me Rhonda? California Bee Gees? Incorrect. Player 1, you seem to be out of cash. Game over. Well, the other guys I'm facing, well, they look equally as ugly as me, actually, but it's a bit of an insult that you have to look like him just to play this game. But, you know, I've now got the hang of it, I might play again if I can work out how to start. It's easy. Right. Okay, I'm going to go for science. Oh no! What does Private Eye call the Queen? Wendy? Bugger! I like your hair slop. If that's what they're talking about. Right, science. I'll get this. What is the volcanically active moon of Jupiter? Titan? Wrong? Eon? Incorrect. Knew I was great at science. I'll continue. And I'll go for science again. Who established the branch of biology called genetics? Robert Koch? Incorrect. Humiliation awaits. It's a game even to continue. Who did Shakespeare work with on Henry VIII? Webster? Incorrect. Even by the law of averages, I should be able to get something right. That's what I used to think when I was a kid, and even now. Who won England's first Nobel Prize for Literature? Thomas Hardy? Incorrect. Player 1, you seem to be out of cash. Well, this is difficult. Arcade trivia. Another go. I'll move on to another quiz game after this. This one's shite. Ah. How many gloves can a golfer carry? 14, isn't it? Correct. Science. I'm on a run here. Who invented the first practical steam locomotive? That has got to be George Stephenson. There we are, from Newcastle, my hometown. I'm on a roll, ladies and gentlemen. On a bloody roll. But they've taken away my science. What do I want? Movies? What did Harrison Ford hunt in Blade Runner? So that was replicants, so it's P. Now I'm about to nail it, and cash is going to pour out the emulator. Not music. No! Got music. Which of the following was Wham's earliest hit? Young Guns, Last Christmas, Freedom, Club Tropicana. Must be Club Tropicana? Oh! Last Christmas? No, that wasn't. Oh, I've ruined it all. I'll continue, please. Yeah, alright. Which Russian revolutionary was murdered in Mexico in 1940? Trotsky? Trotsky? I don't know. Yes! I've just won 20p, I think. Big money, Joker Bank. What? Who won the Women's World Indoor Curling Championship? Scotland? Incorrect. That's just stupid. No win. Player 1, you must restart. Well, that's bloody stupid. Big money, Joker Bank. What's that? How many detective novels did Agatha Christie write? Well, let's say 49. Wrong. 77. Prolific woman, by the way. Oh, I went for 88 and I got that wrong. I pressed the wrong key. I wanted the Joker. Oh no, that was a dead one. Who said poetry was emotion recollected in tranquility? Oh, he was larking around that one. Larkin. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. I keep thinking of WAST. Music. Which is not a song by Swinny and Swear. Him to Her. Yes? I'm for movies. Huh? It's not working? Oh no. Oh. Who created Who created Noddy? Enid Blyton with it? Yes? Eat that, Noddy. That's what Enid said. She created it. Who created Horatio Hornblower? Jesus. W. Blake. Nope, incorrect. Player 1, you seem to be out of cash. No seeming about it. I'll have one more go, and then we'll call it a day with... Have I got more money somehow? Right. Which character did Paul Henry play in soap opera Crossroads? Huh. Sandy? Wrong. Adam Chance? Or Benny? Benny, correct. I pressed it wrong. I'm getting the WASD mixed up again as QAOP, and I got the wrong... Who was the French writer whose works include Candide? Oh, Debussy? No. Continue. Science. Who invented the telescope? Galileo, surely. Boom! Went blind doing it too. No! Which of these Shakespeare plays is a comedy? King Lear? Die! Shakespeare. It's probably Othello. I can never work it out. What is another name for a squeeze box? Must be a harmonica. Or an accordion? Accordion. Yes. I don't know what that is. Looks like a pool. Which sport competes for the Davis Cup? Cricket? Oh! Absolute fool. Might be in for another 10p here, guys. What was Lady Chatterley's first name? Charlotte? No! Emily? Player 1, you must restart. I'm not out yet. Oh, stop giving me music. It's my fault. I feel for you, for Shaka Khan. Prince. Correct. Prince just died, and I read a list about things he did, and then I soiled my pantaloons after reading it. Big money, Joker Bank. What does that mean? Who is the wife of Napoleon? Josephine? Yes! Take bank, double your money. I'll double my money? Which of the following is not a dam? Grand Coulee, Pharaoh, Carabao... Aswan is not. Wrong. Pharaoh. Correct. Pharaoh is not a dam. Take the bank or double your money. Double your money? What the hell? I only live once, don't you? Who's not completed the 100 and 200 metre sprint doubles? Come on! You fools! Correct! Alan Wells. Gareth, you're on fire. No choice there. Who won the Five Nations Rugby Tournament in 1989? Wales. Damn you! I'll continue. Thank you. What is the children's game based on treading on lines? What? Hopscotch. Not treading. Hopscotch. Correct. I'm really... Oh, science! I missed it. What day of the week is named after the heathen god Wooden? Sunday? Incorrect. Don't tell me I'm out of money. Science. What is the English name for the zodiac sign Sagittarius? Oh, the bull? Incorrect. What is the crab? something. Oh my god. Well, what is the dong used? Where is the dong used in Vietnam? Isn't it? Yes. Which country is thought to have created baseball? Well, it's got to be like America or Canada. England, blatantly, but I'll put America. Wrong. England? Correct, England. I wasted a try because I thought it was dumber than me, but not an assumption I should be making. How many draws have there been in the university boat race? Jesus Christ. 2. Incorrect. Babies. The programmers in this were doused in the rain. Big money, Joker Bank. Which war included the Battle of Balaclava? Crimean? No, World War? No, Crimean. Correct. Take the bank or double your money. I've never took the bank. Let's take the bank just so it can really, hit home. Is that it? I just get some money that doesn't exist. How many hours was the longest recorded Scrabble game? 80. No, 120, wasn't it? Boom! Somehow knew that. Dennis Weaver plays the father of whom in Gentle Ben? Ricky? Ouch! Player 1, you must restart. Why don't he restart? Which of the following cannot be found in Cluedo? Miss Scarlet, Colonel Mustard, Mrs. Pink, Reverend Green. Mrs. Pink in it? Yes. Well, she sounds quite hot, actually. Probably be better if she wasn't it. How many nibbles is a byte made of in computing? Fuck. Nibbles, 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 nibbles. 8? Incorrect. 2. Correct. Yeah, I'm not even up on my nibbles. Or nibbles. What do you add to 33 to get 47? Ayo, 14? Correct. Bit ashamed of my nibble. Whose memoirs are entitled The White House Years? Nixon. Incorrect. You seem to be out of cash. So well, that's it for me. I thought I did alright for a bit, but I think I made like 30p, but given that you never actually get anything, it's probably quite pointless to take the bank ever. But what do I know? There's experts out there screaming at the channel. Screaming they are. Telling me, what a complete arse I am at arcade trivia. But, for the rest of us, thanks for watching. I'm going to look up another quiz game, I think. Still got another couple of Asahis here. Well, it's only 7:36 AM. I mean, what else are you going to do on a Sunday morning?